Hi, I'm Rachel. Welcome to my channel, La Bricoleuse, where I share tips, techniques, and equipment spotlights from over 25 years working as a costume craftsperson. When running a professional dye facility, most of your processes can be dried efficiently in an electric or gas-powered dryer. But delicate textiles and fine fibers can be damaged by the heat and tumbling of these machines. Air drying on a line maintains the material quality after a dye process. If you don't have access to an outdoor line or are concerned about potential damage by pollution, wildlife, or weather, consider how you might set up drying lines indoors. In this video, I'll demonstrate the indoor drying line apparatus in the dye room where I work. And you might get inspired to construct something similar in your own workspace. There's a triple sink in the dye facility, and my drying frame is located above it. It's a simple wood construction with 2 rope lines strung on it. Pulleys mounted to the ceiling allow it to be lowered and raised as needed. A cleat mounted on the wall allows me to belay the line to secure the frame. Here's a closer look at that cleat. In this clip, I'm arranging some freshly dyed silk satin yardage on the drying frame before I hoist it up out of the way and securely belay the rigging. If you have high enough ceilings and clearance for the rigging, you can install one of these in your dye facility or wardrobe laundry space. For more video spotlights on equipment to make your costume department more efficient, check out this playlist.